Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Today Allah has given us a chance again to meet in our English Year 3 class. Okay, today we are going to learn Module 1 again. Tak habis lagi kita punya Module 1. Okay, so before that, I want to ask you, so how are you today, class? Hopefully, I'm really hoping that you are always in good condition of health and good condition of spirit too. Semangat pun kena lebih, bukan setakat kesihatan badan. Okay, and for our Muslim, we are hoping also we always in good condition of iman. Sentiasa dalam keadaan beriman. Okay. So, today is 8 February 2021 and today is Monday. Okay. As usual, please pause the video first and recite doa. Okay, after that, you can start back your video. Okay. What we are going to learn today actually. Okay, I want you to guess. Mukadimah nak awak teka. Apa yang kita nak belajar today from these two interesting videos. Okay. Please pay your attention. Try to sing. Okay. O M E 1 G W O 2 G H R E E F O U R 4 F I V E 5 F I X 6 S E V E N 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9 G E N 10. Now rapping again. What of counts have you heard? You can spell your number words. Every number from 1 to 10. Practice them again and again. O M E 1 G W O 2 G H R E E 3 F O U R 4 F I V E 5 F I X 6 S E V E N 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9 G E N 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One, two, three, four, five jelly beans. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jelly beans. They are too bored, yawn, yawn. So 10 jelly beans are going to find something fun. 11 jelly beans drive vroom, vroom, vroom. 12 jelly beans hop, beep, beep, beep. 13 jelly beans row, go, go, go. 14 jelly beans dance, spin, spin, spin. 15 jelly beans jump, hop, hop, hop. 16 jelly beans dive, splash, splash. 17 jelly beans laugh, ha, ha, ha. 18 jelly beans sing, la, 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 la. 19 jelly beans nap, sleep, sleep, sleep. They sleep deep, deep, deep. But the alarm goes off, ring, ring, ring. 20 jelly beans run, dash, dash, dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Anyway.
Okay. Actually, you already know, right, about that. Numbers 1 to 20. So, actually, it's just a revision. What you have learned in your year 1 and also year 2. Okay. Hopefully, you can remember back. Awak boleh ingat semula apa yang awak belajar masa year 1 and year 2. Okay, we go one by one first. Number 1. I hope that you can say the numbers correctly and also spell the number 1, O-N-E, 1. Okay, because we are going to write the bigger number today. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So, okay. This one. Okay, so today actually we want to add our knowledge. Okay, Mukadimah nak awak tambahkan pengetahuan awak tentang nombor yang lebih besar hari ni dah. Through this video again. Okay, hari ni kita akan banyak nyanyi sikit. Okay, so today actually we want to add our knowledge, improve our knowledge about the numbers count by tens. Okay, number puluh-puluh. Okay, so I will show you the example how we want to write number in tens. Okay, macam mana kita nak tulis nombor puluh-puluh ni? Okay, first, okay, I'm going to show you this one. Okay, this one first. 1 become 10. Put 0 here, become 10. 2 become 20. Lain kan? 2, 20. Kena ingat tu. 3. Okay, 3. Bila 30, 30. 30. Okay. 4. Okay, bila 40, 40, dia jadi tak ada U, without U, 40. Okay, 5, totally different, lain sangat. 5 akan jadi 50, 50. Okay, 6, Just only add ty at the back. 7. Also same 70. 8 become 80. 9 become 90. Same. 10 become 100. So we are going to learn how to count from 10 to 100 today. Okay. So I will show you the example how to write numbers in English. Okay. 83. 83 how to write? Okay, 80. In English what? 80. Right. Okay. Number 3. In English 3. So 83 becomes 83. Okay, just add, just combine. Gabungkan saja 83. 83. Okay, next. 59. 59. Okay, 50 dulu. In English 50. Okay. 9 in English 9. So 59 becomes 59. Okay. 46. In perkataan, in words, 46. How we are going to write in numeral? Macam mana pula kita nak tulis dalam bentuk nombor? Okay, so 40. Macam mana nombor 40? Okay, 40. 40. 40. 6. How? We are going to write number 6 like this. So it becomes 46. 46. Okay, again, this one. 22. One more example, 22. 20. In numeral, dalam angka 20. 20. Okay. 2 becomes 22. Easy, right? Senang kan? Okay. So, open page 7 on your student's book. Okay. We are going to write this one. Okay. We are going to fill this table with what Steve and Julie got. Apa yang Steve dengan Julie ada? Kita tengok. Yeah. Okay. This one. Okay. How many shells have you got, Steve? Okay. Still remember have you got? Have got. We are learning it. We are learn about it last week, right? Have got. Okay. How many shells have you got, Steve? Okay. Berapa banyak shells ni? Cangkarang yang awak ada, Steve? I've got 90 shells. See this one here, 90. 90 shells? Wow. Have you got any jigsaw puzzle? Adakah awak ada jigsaw puzzle? Yes, I have. I've got 20 jigsaw puzzles. Okay. What about teddy bears? Okay, macam mana pula dengan teddy bears? I've got 60 teddy bears, I think. Yes, 60 teddy bears. Okay, 60. You write it here, 60. Okay, for Julie. How many shells has Julie got? Let me see. Julie's got 30 shells. Okay, 30. Okay. Has she got any jigsaw puzzles? Yes, she has. She's got 30 jigsaw puzzles too. Okay, dia ada 30 juga jigsaw puzzle ni. What about teddy bears? She's got 40 teddy bears. 40 teddy bears. Okay, so after we learn today about this, please remember, I hope you can write the number correctly, and when you got the number in words, you can write it in numeral. Bila awak dapat dalam bentuk perkataan, awak boleh tulis dalam bentuk number. Bila awak dapat dalam bentuk number, boleh tulis dalam bentuk perkataan. So this is the objective of our learning session today, right? Okay, we go to the exercise. Okay, so for exercise time, okay, open your workbook, page 3. Okay, we are going to just complete the exercise. This one only, one only. Jangan buat yang Mukadimah tak suruh lagi, sebab yang Mukadimah tak suruh lagi maksudnya kita belum belajar lagi. Mukadimah hanya nak ingatkan, I want to remind you, bukan Mukadimah tak bagi awak buat. Cumanya bila kita buat, kita belajar untuk kefahaman, supaya awak faham dan awak boleh dapat kemahiran English, bukannya menyiapkan latihan semata-mata dah. Jadinya buat sahaja latihan yang Mukadimah suruh buat, pastikan awak faham je dan ingat lama apa yang awak belajar hari tersebut. Jangan bila Mukadimah suruh buat exercise 1 sahaja, habis buat sampai exercise 3. Sedangkan kita belum belajar lagi yang lain dah. Okay, jadi buat ya exercise 1 sahaja. Read and match. Okay, this one dia ada cakap tentang numbers sesuatu benda tu. Okay. For example, 50 dolls. Okay. We have to match to the numbers in numeral. Okay, daripada perkataan, number dalam perkataan ni, kita kena padankan, sesuaikan dengan number dalam bentuk angka. Okay, then after that, daripada angka ni kepada gambar pula. Contoh this one, dolls. Okay, mana gambar dolls? Okay, this one. Gambar dolls. Okay. This one, gambar-gambar ni actually nama-nama toys, name of the toys that you already learn in year 1. If you still remember. Dan kepada pelajar yang dah lama berada di Sriti, awak tak boleh tipu Mukadimah lah, kerana yang mengajar awak tahun 1, year 1 hari tu adalah Mukadimah Hakimah. Jadinya, please match the words with the numerals and also to the name of the toys. Yang dia cakap ni, dolls, yo-yos, puzzles, teddy bears, board games, and also shells. Okay, after that, please submit to me by personal message. I'm waiting for your work. And the most important thing, apa yang paling penting is you can understand. You can understand and enjoy our English learning session today. Okay, bukannya hanya sekadar dapat menyiapkan latihan. Kerana apa? Kerana kita sebenarnya kena faham apa yang kita belajar. Okay, tak apa kalau latihan salah, Mukadimah akan betulkan awak. Tengok dulu video ni sampai awak faham apa yang kita belajar. Okay. Hopefully we can meet again in our next class. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.